the best in a basketball game.
Wow, basketball team.
But before we start, I'm going to divide you into two. Where's the girls? And all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, I want to hear your cheer. Sassy, Sassy. Very good girls. And how about the boys? And all the boys will cheer for Bandit. Come on boys. Bandit, Bandit.
Bandit!
Okay, very good boys. Okay, let's finish. First ready? Ready, set and go. One for Sassy, one for Bandit for the second score. Second score for Bandit, second score for Sassy for the third goal. Nice basket, Bandit for the last. Bandit wins. Very good boys. Hey, nice game, Bandit.
Yung girl.
Anyway, a very close fight. What can you say about that?
Hey, you want another race? Are you sure about that?
Do you want to ready 1 point? And girls, come on! Let's cheer for Sassy to win this time, okay? So we will be doing this once again. This time a ring race. Ready? Set and go! Here comes Bunny with the first ring. Alright, so 1 point per Bandit. Hey, what is this? Sassy pick up 3 rings at the same time? How clever is that? And the winner is Sassy. Leonard Joel, you see that? 3 rings at the same time. Okay.
You cheated.
You think you cheated?
I didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, Sassy used her brain. Well, is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys? Of course. Next, our round of applause for our beautiful pair of Green Mokos, Bandit and Sassy. And we have witnessed our intelligent Sassy in the ring race, right? So now, Sassy will going to show us how intelligent she is by putting back the shape back into the correct slot. Just like Sassy, a Green Mokos from South America, and they known as the gender guidance of the Barons family because they're the second largest next to the highest in Mokos. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. For the last game, there you go, intelligent, right? So a round of applause for Sassy.
We agree and we all shout hurrah as he confirms what Fairmont jotted down.
Okay, now, the equation here is 9 plus 12. All of us here knows the answer,
Even time to a beat.
but we must not tell the answer yet. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this
With
equation.
the rest of the guys.
So now, let's call in our hybrid Moko, Rocky.
Away from mathematics.
There you go. So, Trevor Jomar, Rocky's ready?
When you're trying to see
Okay, go Rocky. Solve the equation for us. 9 plus 12.
when you're
Gotcha.
holding a sheet. That's mathematics when
So, Rocky get the first correct number. Number 2. And Rocky loves numbers. And up to the second number.
how much money you owe. That's mathematics. How much
And he gets the number 1. So,
when it's due.
10 plus 12 is equals to 21. So, our round of applause for our mathematical wizard, Rocky. Okay, Mom. Do you have any idea what will happen next? Any idea, Mom? And then? Okay, let's see. So now, let's call in our bunny bird, Buddy.
Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na.
By the way, guys, Buddy is our new character. Siya yung ibig name is Kakatuwa for the centuries. And this word was Here comes Buddy. Come on, Buddy, take the money. Oh, Buddy flies over. He gets some money and flies again. Oh, and I guess buddy, we're gonna need some money! So our round of applause for our Donald! Huh? Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Did you know that? No? So now you know! Your money will go a long, long way and we are very, very grateful now. Alright, so our round of applause for our Donald! Maraming salamat. Okay, sa mom, face to the camera and offer G. Nobody? Oh, another kiss, buddy. How so mom, give your best pose and best smile. Okay, mom, raise your money. Birds of prey are common on Earth. They are made in birds that choose their keen vision and strong feet by hunting for prey. Raminikai is scientifically known as Aliastor indus, and loudly in Tagalog, and Banog in the Visayas region. So a round of applause for our flying birds, Shadow and Spin.
Yun din yung kanina, di ba?
Doon?
Snake one.
It's, at first it's very scary.
So here in the lesson, while you believe that there is hope, and we only not trying to take care of our friends in the sea, but for those who are in land and air as well. Now, who knows the 3 R's? And what are those? The reduce, reuse, and recycle. So once again, let's call in our lovely birds and they're going to show you proper reuse. Come on, buddy.
Pero mag-recycle yung birds.
We're gonna talk about today. We gotta learn to reduce, recycle,
They pick up the trash and they put it into the proper trash bin. For the last, buddy,
recycle. If you go to the market to buy some juice, you gotta bring your own bags and your
very good! So guys, kids, if the birds can do it, well, so can we.
I'm really afraid of this.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have all of you to our show. We're in the birds spectacular. Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort. Let's take action in saving them from exploitation and even extinction.
You were also surprised.
And please, let's do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope we have. So now, may I present to you the people and birds who made this show possible. Trainer Aaron with Spin, Trainer Jomar with Blue, Trainer Edson with Shadow, Trainer Joel with Buddy, and again, I am Trainer Cedric. Thank you and goodbye!